Oh, okay. Sweet.
Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Ozo writes Nengi a love letter. Nengi and Ozo are waxing stronger despite the back and forth over the weekend. The lovebirds went through a rough patch, with Ozo complaining of Nengi's attitude towards him. The friction between them got so intense that Ozo declared to some of his colleagues that he was done with Nengi since she was giving him a tough time and giving more attention to another male housemate, Kiddwaya. It looks like the two have moved past that phase, because this afternoon, while preparing for a sponsored task, Ozo wrote Nengi a cute love letter. These love notes were a secret because Ozo had to take Nengi into an empty room so she could read them alone. Isn't love beautiful? This Big Brother Naija house doesn't give the housemate the luxury of writing materials, but love conquers all, as Ozo has shown us. He used paper towels and red writing materials to write this love letter, which reads, "I've met many, but none have made me love the idea of love like you have. NG baby, my love for situationships does not exist because of you. With you, I want everything. With you, I'll always have a friend and a lover. Your smile and laugh gives me joy. I know I love you cause none other has made me feel this way. You are a blessing and a kind person. I can watch you for a lifetime. You're my favorite movie, Nengi." Wow. So this is Ozo's love letter to Nengi. So guys, what are your thoughts on Nengi and Ozo's relationship? Please let me know in the comment section.